I'm going to I'll come with a new UI design for school project. So let's see the UI design. This are three pages I have created. This is dashboard. Uh, this is image label for name and class and roll number. This is description, and this is a dashboard uh, label. What functionality are there in the application? So this is timetable and syllabus page is today we will learn page for table and syllabus, and this is timetable. This is a scheduler, weekly scheduler means today if today date is 28, so it will show this week from 27 to from Sunday to Saturday, and it will select uh, today's date. I have set manual day, so it is selected as 04 of March. This is timetable. At 9 am the teacher name will teach telecommunication subject from 9 to 10. Similar 10, 11, 12 all timetable is given here. And this is syllabus. What is the syllabus for the student? Other pages will discuss in next video. So let's begin. So this is the main control is grid. Under the grid control, I have added another grid for image. Image opacity is this is image means the background image is this, and I have set opacity 0.9 because I feel that the image was so dark, so I set opacity 0.9. If you feel the image is not dark, then don't keep the opacity. And I have set margin minus 25 because I have set here padding. The padding is keep for all these control. So if I don't keep here padding, then I have to give padding all for control manually. So I have set margin here, so it will remove padding from this image. On the image, the image is on grid first row, and row span is 3. On the first row, I have added circle image. This is the frame. Under the frame, I have added image. This is frame as shadow true, and corner radius is 100. Under the frame, I have added control for image. After that, I have added label in grid in row 1 for text for student name. In another row, there is a label for class and roll number. Now in first row of main grid, I have added school name and description of the school. After that, this is frame having shadow, and I have given I have given margin 10 because I want here space, so I have added margin. Margin, it is left, top, right, and bottom. So I want space on top, so I added a value in top. other are 0. Corner radius is 20, and I have created control for this. Uh, this is grid. On the first row, I have added icon font awesome and label for the uh, functionality. So, if you want, you can create a frame and you can write this. You can copy and write this code here, but this code will be duplicate. So if you feel that this code is duplicate, then create control. So same, I have added box new and uh, column for column 1. So in column 1 I have added uh, width is equal to 2, so it will create line. Then this control and line. Same here, I have added frame and the control I have created box to control box, and this control has click event. Let's see the click event how we will create. Add event for click event. This is event will be event handler, and create a stack gesture recognizer variable. Under the tab gesture recognizer, create a command method. In command method, call this function. If click is not equal to null, then click is equal to this, and it will be empty in another parameter. So this means this control, this this full control. Okay. And icon and text. Create property for icon and text. So when I click on timetable page will open. So this is timetable. The main control is grid. In grid, I have set this. This is called status and navigation bar. So this is status. The gray color is status, and the blue is navigation bar. So you can set here. Yeah, you can set primary color primary dark is equal to color color that you want to give. So if you set the color here, it will color will be same, and remove shadow. So share dot nav bar has shadow is equal to false. So it will remove the shadow from here, and it will give look and feel. So this is path, this is data. So it will create a shape for from this data, and after that I have added stack layout for February month and control. This is the control I have created for weekly uh, weekly schedule control calendar. So let's look how it is created, I have taken 7 se- 14 labels, 7 for this label and 7 for this label in grid view. So this is in first row and uh, first column. This is first row, second column, first row, third column. We have to set like this and set and add control like this and get today's date and I will show you the logic, explain you the logic. Uh, now, what will be the day of week of today? So, take a day of week in variable and that variable subtract from Sunday, or Sunday means the day you want to start. If you want to start with Monday, then write here Monday. After that, week start day, the days you will get subtract in add days. Okay, then you will get week start day date. So after that you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just increment the date and show in all the labels. In that way I have created the schedule controller. I did not get the schedule weekly calendar. I search in the Google, but I did not get. If you know if it is available, any nuggets or any control, then please let me know. I did not get, so I have created manually, but it will not work smoothly. We have to write more code if we want another functionality on it. So if you know anything about it, then please share me in the comment section. For the path, I have to give some more information on it. This is the link where you can create a shape. There are already ready-made shapes, just draw it and go to view and source. You will get the path and use that path in the Visual Studio. If the shape is not available, then create shape by using this. So after creating shape, go to source. You can get data, but you have to practice it more to get perfect image. So. Uh, So practice on this. If you want another image, another than available image, then keep practicing. You will get perfect image. Use that sources in path. Okay. After that, I have this is list view. Okay. In list view, I have added timetable view. So in list view, this will be repeated. Time, box view, and this framework. So first of all, take grid, add box view uh, in the first row and column second, because I have added uh, first in second column I have added 1, and I have taken in first column because I have to show the time between the uh, line. So in time I have added score span is equal to 3. So this is 20, this is 1, and after that 25. So it will show in the middle. If you not it is middle, then just adjust here. After that, in first row, add frame. In the frame, add stack layout and the label. Okay. I hope you understand this. And then we have another page called syllabus. It is very simple. Just the list view. List view having frame. Under the frame there is a label. So this is list view. This is stack layout. Stack layout having frame. Under the frame I have added label. So that's all for today. I hope you understand this. So please like, share, and comment my video, and please share me your feedback on the comment section. Thank you.